say. Oh, the other every Mr. Monica way in the hand. Was one way up by any power. Medium in your by any power. Miss Flower said, or Phineas, I had the power.
Mommy.
Oh, yes,
Mommy. No, we are the movie. Hey, come on, let's get. Kill out, from mommy.
According to some individuals under the comment section of this particular video, 2 months ago, fire crew were on their way to attend to an emergency. Unfortunately, on their way, they had an accident with a car, to which the driver of that car happens to be the husband of this particular woman. It is unfortunate that yesterday she lost the husband. I want to state it clearly that I cannot confirm this information. Being in the shoes, it will be very painful, right? But is the action worth it? Maybe we should hear from the woman herself. There might be a lot that we don't know about, right? Suppose this information is very true.